Hello, my name is Jack Justice. This is my AT project, Module 2, Reflection. How has your decision-making process changed from previous field experiences? So, my decision-making process has changed because of my observations in which I have made. I have learned that there are students during math time that are not engaged, not very motivated to learn due to the style of learning and instructional methods that are being utilized. So, as I begin to take turns teaching math or pulling out small groups, I am focusing on multiple means of representation. For example, this could include Gimkit or Booklet. These are online instructional games where students can work at their own pace. For example, math facts. Also, students can participate in multiplication cards like flashcards or matching games where it is a competitive environment for the students to have fun with each other, but they are also learning. This will promote student engagement and motivation to learn. So this attempts to try to address all the various learning needs and the various different learning styles that the students have. So the next prompt, compare the decision-making process for Anthony to processes you have used in the past. So in both my field experiences as well as Anthony's situation for the student, I believe that the key thing is here is collaboration and observation. I think we must be able to identify what instructional strategies work for the student, what are their strengths, and what specific needs does that student need help getting. So I believe if we can get a strong analysis of those needs, their strengths, what works well for them, and if we can design instruction and make decisions based off the data that we have collected, it will be very successful. And I have noticed that in my field experiences by looking at the data, looking at the statistics that I've gathered, and choosing instructional methods that meet my students' needs. Then lastly, how will you measure if your AT decisions have succeeded in reducing activity barriers? So looking at the online forms of multiplication practice, Skimkit and Booklet, teachers can assess students' individual progress through those apps. Then the matching games, I can see that just firsthand observation. Also, there's different hands-on activities that I've done where students turn in their work. So using that to collect data to see how they are understanding the concepts and material that is being taught.